Alright, the next thing we're going to cover is writing an equation in slope-intercept form given 2 points. So our goal is to have an equation that looks like y equals mx plus b, but we need to find the m and find the b given these 2 points. So step 1 is we're going to find the slope. So a reminder, your slope equation is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if we want to put that into practice, here's my x1, y1, x2, y2. So from finding my slope, I'm going to have y2 minus y1, so negative 8 minus 1, over x2, so 5, minus x1, which is 2. So negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. So negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. So my slope is negative 3. So I found the m. Now we need to find the b. So there's a few different options for this. My favorite option is we are going to plug in one of these points and the slope and solve for b. So I'm going to pick this set of points. So your job is we've got y equals mx plus b. This 2 is going to be the x. The 1 is going to be the y. So for the y I'm plugging in a 1. For the m I'm plugging in this negative 3. And then it's touching the x, so it's being multiplied by this x, which is the 2. And then what I don't know is this b. So I've got negative 3 times 2, so 1 equals negative 6 plus b. And if I add 6 to the other side, or to both sides, we've got 7 equals b. So now we've also found the b. So our final step is to put it all together, so as to write our final equation. So we're going to do y equals, our m is negative 3, x, and then plus 7. So I know in the red step, we plugged in the x and the y, but when you write your final equation, you want to go back to the letters and just do x and y in the equation. So you're only plugging in the m that you found and the b. So this is your equation in slope-intercept form through these 2 points. I'll show one more example like that if you would like to see one. So I'm going to start off with labeling, so x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're going to first find our slope. So y2, so 4 minus y1, so negative 2. And then x2, so negative 1 minus x1. So this turns into plus positives. We've got 6 over negative 2. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. So that's my m. So I found part of it. And then for my b, I'm going to pick a point to plug in. So I'm going to pick this one again. Doesn't really matter which one you pick. You just need to pick one that you like. So that's my x and my y. So we've got y equals, so negative 2 equals, and that negative 2 came from here. And then m, so negative 3, times, or mx, so the x is the 1. So times 1. And then plus b, and we don't know b. So if we were to simplify this, we'd have negative 3 plus b. So to move a negative number, you would add it. So we would have 1 equals b. So now we have our m and our b. So our final step is just to write the equation. So y equals mx, so negative 3x, plus b, and b is 1. Hopefully that was helpful, and good luck.